Do you want to sit at home but still grow your money effortlessly? For doing this, you must invest your money. But for investing, you must find proper sectors of investment. If you find a problem in doing this, then don't worry and keep watching this video, as in this video we will tell you best investments you could make to grow your money in 2023. Let's start with the first investment. 1. Mutual fund. By investing our money in businesses and other ventures that are on the route to success, business and commerce enable us to build wealth. By purchasing stocks in various firms, we may act as investors in the ventures of entrepreneurs. The shareholders gain as long as the business owners and management are running their firms profitably and successfully. Mutual funds are a fantastic way to accumulate money in this aspect. However, how can we decide what shares to buy and when? Getting expert assistance is important in this situation. Additionally, they make use of a vast corpus to examine many prospects at once. We all need proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates, and other nutrients, just like in a balanced diet. There will be some vitamin shortage if you just eat one kind of food. Similar to this, investing in a diversified equities fund exposes you to many economic sectors while also protecting you from potential losses. To build money for yourself, invest in a professionally managed, diversified equities fund and hold onto your investment for a long time. 2. Real estate. Many multimillionaires who accumulate riches do so through making real estate investments or by hanging on to the fortune they have accumulated through real estate. While investing in real estate won't make you rich overnight, it might increase your net worth more quickly than many other conventional assets. For instance, if you do it well, buying a house that needs work, fixing it up, and then selling it for more money might result in a substantial profit. Always remember to purchase cheap, repair wisely, and sell quickly. A big profit may be realized by those prepared to take on the task of house flipping, as the practice is known, which is primarily a numbers game. Buying multifamily properties that provide a sizable monthly cash flow is another tactic that can help you fast increase your wealth through real estate. Your real estate portfolio may be tremendously expanded by reinvesting this cash flow into more transactions, which will generate a domino effect. If you want to get daily investing tips, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 3. Rare coins. According to CNN Money, those who are really affluent do spend a lot of money on pleasures, at least $1.1 million annually. But in reality, this represents a very little portion of their wealth. They may also purchase expensive items like rare American coins, which many people utilize as a means of wealth preservation. Historically noteworthy products with a very low supply are available on the market. In the words of Michael Contursi, Executive Vice President of RCW Financial, the scarcity and uniqueness of many rare U.S. coins creates a climate for excitement where opportunities to acquire these objects may only arise once in a lifetime. Price loses its importance in the end, and availability takes its place. Because of this, an investor with strong holding power is in a position to make significant gains based on the laws of supply and demand in addition to protecting their investment's capital. 4. Dividend-paying stocks. We're about to reach a topic that has the potential to significantly increase wealth. Many of the businesses you invest in distribute a percentage of their earnings to stockholders on a regular basis when you buy stocks. These are known as dividends, and there are few things more thrilling than receiving a sizable check with your name on it, thanks to your stock market investments. In general, larger, more reputable businesses are represented by dividend-paying stocks. In fact, a group of stock market favorites known as the dividend aristocrats have earned their moniker by growing dividend distributions for at least 25 years running. With 61 and 62 consecutive years of dividend increases, respectively, Procter & Gamble and Dover Corporation are currently neck and neck. Each corporation has a different dividend percentage rate. If you own shares in Ecolab, for instance, your current dividend yield is 1.12%. You could always shift some money to a business like AT&T, whose current annual dividend yield is 6.05%, if you wanted to boost those dividend yields. Again, I would like to remind you to subscribe our channel. 5. Farmland. To benefit from farmland, you don't have to be a farmer. If you can't plant a single ear of corn to save your life, you still have a chance to work in agriculture with your sources of income because 39% of all farmland in the United States is rented or leased. You may rent out your land to farmers who want to expand their businesses by buying a piece of agricultural real estate. In exchange for you receiving monthly or quarterly rent payments, the farmers can keep their money for other purposes. It goes without saying that you can't just purchase any old piece of land and expect to start cultivating crops there. Unfortunately, your backyard garden within city limits won't do. In actuality, the soil of the land must be suitable for the cultivation of commercial crops, and almost all of the land that is suitable for farming has already been taken into account. In reality, premium farmland may sell for as much as $10,000 per acre, such as high-quality acreage in the center of Iowa's Corn Belt. Farmland in less desirable conditions can be rented for $50 to $250 per year and acquired for $1,500 to $3,000 per acre. Additionally, renting farmland may greatly diversify your portfolio as the boom-bust cycles of the agriculture industry often have very little resemblance to what we city slickers refer to as the regular economy. 6. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Ever wanted to be a landlord but felt terrified at the thought of dealing with tenants' calls and plumbing issues? REITs, the equities of the real estate industry, are now introduced. Companies that own, finance, or manage real estate assets with an income stream are known as real estate investment trusts. In the same way that you would buy shares of any other corporation, REITs are traded on the stock market. I myself have invested in Vanguard's REIT Index Fund, VGSLX, for a number of years. Throughout that period, it has returned between 3 and 4%. The best aspect is that, after buying one share, I am now the owner of a variety of properties, including commercial real estate, public storage facilities, and residential rentals. Since REITs must legally distribute more than 90% of their profits to stockholders, the dividend rates can go very high. Though high-yielding REITs are notoriously volatile, you must exercise caution. That's all for this video. Now you know all the areas where you could invest and make money while sleeping also. If you found this video helpful, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. Feel free to comment below if you have any query. Thank you for watching.